Good morning, 3D. Today is a terrific Tuesday. Let's look at our Zoom for today so we're prepared. Today we're going to Zoom 11 to 12 and we're going to share number 1 through 9 book trailers on our class Padlet. So be ready to look at the Padlets and give some positive, good feedback to our friends. There's also a library forecast at 12:30. Just a reminder that Thursday we have a 10:30 Zoom with our buddies and Mrs. Style. Today you have two capital letters, V and W. Here are the two tutorials that you can look at for correct formation and then complete page 102 to 103 in your handwriting book. Today is session 2 on water. Mrs. Mangan goes over water conservation and Toby from Kaleidoscope also discusses this in the garden. So watch the video, and Mrs. Mangan also does a read aloud at the end of the video. So watch the whole lesson in its entirety. You can play the tip tank game, which Miss Mangan mentions in her video, and then you're going to complete the brain pop assignment, water supply assignment, and you can take one quiz or both quizzes. Then complete the seesaw assignment on water conservation. Next, this is optional, if you want to make book recommendations on Adobe Spark Video, you can do that. Mrs. Luciano goes through the steps with you again. So make sure it is a clear presentation. Choose just one of your favorite books or even a series and recommend it to someone that's going to be in 3rd grade next year and explain why you recommend that book. So watch the lesson from Miss Luciano, and you're going to go to the Adobe Spark Video, but first you need to plan out what you're going to say. Download it, and I shared a video with a folder with you in your shared folder called Summer Book Recommendations folder. So you will see that in your shared with me. Today we're going to continue two-dimensional shapes on IXL. Okay, you should spend about 30 minutes. We're looking at CC, we're looking at 1 through 4, and 6. So you're going to identify two-dimensional shapes, count and compare sides and vertices, open and closed shapes. Is it a polygon? Angles greater than, less than, or equal to a right angle. Next, social studies. I did this video about the Upper East Side and the Upper West Side, and I also talk about Central Park. And I talk about the different museums and performing art cultures that exist in these areas. And you're going to learn more about what Central Park has to offer. So watch my video first. The slides are in your social studies folder as well. And you're going to go to Discovery Education, and I assigned 3 videos there. They're really great, so I really hope that you take advantage of this. One is about New York elevators and skyscrapers, like how did that come about? The New York Harbor of the past, and building Central Park is really nicely tied in with today's lesson, so you might want to watch that one first. Then you're going to go to Seesaw and write a paragraph about where you would visit in Manhattan and why. So please listen to the directions carefully on Seesaw. I'm really looking for a good, concise paragraph here, good writing, because you're closer to 4th graders now. Now, below, this is really nice. We wanted to enjoy the district-wide art show. So the entire art department has posted and shared Scarsdale students' artwork over this past few months. So take a look, and we hope you appreciate all the beautiful artwork. So what do you need to complete today? Okay, so you're reading. We're going to skip bingo board activities because we know that we're coming to the end now. We're just going to stick with the Padlet. So you do not have to complete a bingo board, but continue to read your book and try to finish your last book with your book club. And if you don't get to finish before Thursday, you always have the summer to continue on EPIC. You will complete Cursive V and W. Please put in your June e-learning slideshow. In science, you're going to watch the lesson video, play the tip tank game, go to Brain Pop and complete the quiz, and also there's a seesaw activity on water conservation. Then you're going to watch the Manhattan video, watch the 3 videos on Discovery Education, and complete a seesaw assignment, which is a crafted detailed paragraph. Then This is optional. If you have enough time, you can even complete it a different day, but we're looking for good third grade book recommendation trailers. So watch the tutorial to learn about the project, create a book recommendation trailer, and upload it to the shared folder Summer Book Recommendations. And it's located with Shared With Me section in your drive. Then math IXL quadrilaterals, you're going to complete the double C 1 through 4 and 6 sections. You should spend about 30 minutes just on the math. Okay, boys and girls, I will see you at 11. Please be ready, numbers 1 through 9. I'm really excited to show your hard work and how you were able to put together the trailer as quickly as we did. Great job, third graders.